thinking I'll do 2 cycles. The reason why I'm thinking 2 cycles is because I've heard people say doing 3 and reducing your heat after that. And then I've heard people say, well, do only 1. I'm thinking I'll do 2 cycles. Alright, we got that to a good glow. It's really orange right now, so you gotta be, I don't know if the camera's showing that very good.